in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find NFC on iPhone 14 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Usually, on most iPhones, NFC is going to be always enabled, so as soon as you bring an NFC tag near your iPhone, it should automatically pick it up and scan it. But if you want to have more control over the NFC options, you can manually request a scan. So to do this, you have to use the Shortcuts app by Apple. So open the App Store and look for Shortcuts by Apple. This is what it looks like, and once you have this app downloaded, you can open it up to configure additional settings. Inside of Shortcuts, go over to the Automation tab. So at the bottom of the screen, you will see Automation, and by choosing this, you will see the option to create a new one. So if you have never used Shortcuts, choose New Automation, and now you will see all of the categories, with one of them being NFC. So primarily, this app is used to create shortcuts. So when a specific action happens, something else will happen. So you set up a trigger and then a subsequent action. But if you go over to the NFC automation options, you will notice that you have the option to scan whenever you wish. So all that you have to do is tap this scan option here. And immediately the ready to scan menu will pop up. Like I said before, usually by default, NFC is always going to be functioning on your iPhone, but if you want to scan something manually and you want to be absolutely sure, then you can bring up the ready to scan window by opening Shortcuts and tapping on Scan. You will also see some other options here related to run after confirmation or run immediately. You can choose either of these if you prefer, but they are going to be primarily used if you want to create a shortcut. So keep that in mind. But by using the scan option, you will be able to see the hold your device near the NFC tag prompt. So with all of that said, I hope I helped you. Something I want to note before I end the video is that when I was looking through the channel metrics, I noticed that 83% of you are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you will be helping us achieve the best solutions to your problems. So please consider subscribing. It really helps us and we'll be able to make more videos in regards to iPhones and other devices. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.